She gonna roll call?
Yeah, she'll roll call.
Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, baby. Not like to smell diesel in the morning.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Jake and Andrew here. We got some big upgrades for the JKU over here today. Kind of chilly here at the house despite it being sunny out. Got Andrew's Gladiator, of course. Things looking mint. Milner, you want to get a shot of this cold start diesel over here?
Diesel?
She's diesel.
There's a diesel? She gonna roll? She gonna roll call?
Yeah, she'll roll call.
Really?
I think it comes out this side.
This side?
Yeah.
Let's see that diesel.
Diesel.
Oh yeah, baby. Not like to smell diesel in the morning. Oh yeah, you better watch out. Watch out for them tires there, boy.
Oh yeah, boy.
Oh, speed. Oh, yeah. Let her warm up a little, guy. A little skirt.
Tractors.
Yeah, nothing like fucking pinning her. Just still cold.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh, we got boxes.
We got boxes. Oh my god.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do, huh?
I think you have a problem, Jake.
Yeah.
You're a hoarder. Rough country parts. Alright, wait. I'll just back the truck up more if you want.
Oh yeah, you can bring the truck over here.
And then I'm gonna sweep it out real quick.
Oh yeah. Had to get those golden hour shots right, Milton. Go toss the boys a follow at Wealthy Boys on Instagram. Check out these shots there. How much you want to bet these nittos can get me out of here in two-wheel drive?
I bet they can.
All right. Oh! Yup. We're going out of a ditch in two-wheel. Nitto trail grapplers, baby.
We got to work with today.
Half inch?
Yeah.
Definitely half inch.
Yeah.
Come on.
We got this baby.
Impact sockets to go with it. And regular sockets to go with it. All sorts of goodies.
Yeah, that's a super shiny, alright.
Whoa! Oh, yeah, I hit a snowbank.
Probably up.
Heat it up a little bit with the torch.
Oh!
Yeah, look at that. Just
Man.
get it melted together, call it a day.
Pulling off the front bumper, we'll attack the front first. I think we'll do the rear in a separate video, but the front's definitely going to be a lot of fun with the LEDs. Having a little Milwaukee contest here. Half inch versus 3/8.
Oh! Need it.
Butter.
Definitely won't.
Oh, whoops.
Can't even get it out, look at that. Oh, definitely not an 18.
I think those are 16, maybe 17. All right, so this EAG front bumper teardown is going to be a little bit different than stock. I'll probably overlay or link the stock front bumper removable, but once we get this pulled off, I'll show you how the rough country goes on. Oh, it sounds smooth. That's a lot of click points right there.
A lot of quick. Guess there's some stuff we mixed.
Atta boys. Looks pretty gnarly with no bumper on it. All right, time to pull open the new one. Oh.
Can't even see anything yet.
Oh, bubble wrap. Wow, very nice. It is really nicely packaged though. This is like a lot more well protected than come out with the bumper.
Hardware.
Ooh. That's like really
Very
nice.
impressed.
Yeah.
Oh, and rubber on these things.
Oh, wow. Oh, dude.
No way. That's clean.
Look at these vents.
The laser cut fucking.
Damn.
The laser cut logo is sick. I love the vents too. Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I'll leave these on, I
leave it on
guess.
for now.
All this stuff's already greased in there. Alright, so I'm assuming we have to install all this lights and stuff before.
Yeah, probably a good
Just
idea.
to make it easier.
Ooh.
Nice, Shaq.
I think we also got some red forged D-rings at the house. Gotta go get those later. And then this is the Stubby bumper hoop light mount Black Series light. Ooh.
Ooh, Black Series.
That's a Black Series light bar. It has the black casing. I feel like this is like an Apple unboxing every time. It's like whoosh. Oh, damn!
Dude,
they
it
just
matches your Black Series so
yeah. It's the same exact.
Duh. Of course it does. The same series. But
Nice.
that thing looks
Beauty.
That's clean.
That's gonna look so good with this matching light bar. I'll say I'm pretty impressed with their wiring harnesses. Like,
Yeah.
look, it's got a
plug and
nice
play.
thick casing.
Nice.
It's waterproofed, has relays and fuses. Although we'll just be chopping that because we have a source box for the overhead switch panel, and it's just it's all auxiliary stuff.
Shit.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite like hidden features right here. Also put those gas lift arms on, but this is Voss Switch. I love their stuff. I have a daytime running light on this light bar, the trail light, which is super bright, rock lights, and then we're gonna add on the bumper light today. Yeah, I love it. Just crimp stuff on, plug it in. No fuses,
sweet.
no nothing. Oh, the powder coat went over it, huh?
No, it's just
Or it's
not,
just-
it's just not.
Oh, it's just a tap. We're doing a little testing right now.
You're about to get blinded.
Oh,
All right, ready?
yeah. Yeah, that worked.
Whoa.
Oh!
Oh,
Dude,
yeah,
that's-
nice and bright.
Wow.
Yeah, those are pretty nuts. Nuts.
Rough Country also, they hooked it up with two different style adapters for your fog lights. So you have this square rectangle style adapter, you're good. And if you have this aftermarket oval style, you're also good. This is what I'm running. We're able to just slap it on, hook it up, and we're good to go. All we have to do is wire in the hoop light bar into our Voss switch box and we're good to go. Oh, it's all shielded by the thing. Oh my gosh.
That's
That's
clean.
sick. That thing looks sick. So this is our hoop bar, LED bar hardware right here. We have two threaded holes on the front of the bumper on each side, and then two non-threaded. So that's why we have 4 nuts here for the 8 bolts. And,
Each one of these
associated washers. 13mm nut. This is a 13/16 head. Got that Allen drive on our impact and a 13mm box wrench for the back side. And we'll get her mounted up. They're right here. We got 4 bolts and 4 nuts. Looks like they got some more grease in there for you, man. So we'll give it to them. Rough Country makes some pretty decent harnesses and whatnot, and they make some nice wiring components. It all has thick sheathing and whatnot, but we have a Voss switch system installed on the Jeep here, so all I did was I took the main connector wire right here that's going to plug into our Black Series light bar, and I just chopped the other end. Now I'm going to put a couple spade crimps on here. I'm going to plug it right into the Voss switch on one of the open ports here, and we'll be good to go. So we just installed those 2 larger bolts right on the end of the frame rail right here. You can just barely see those 2 bolt heads right there. We're gonna take the other 2 large nuts. These bumper nuts are 19 mil and the bumper bolts are 18. Super easy to access these top bolts, like the Rough Country design.
Put on the finishing touches.
What do you think though? Chrome or black?
I think
About red.
I think red.
Red?
Red for sure.
Do you have reds?
I think they're at the house.
Nice.
Thanks, Rough Country.
Oh my god, dude. Thing looks like a unit. Oh baby. Turn on the pods too.
Hey, let's put the hood down, huh?
Damn. All Black Series. It's looking mint.
It's not even trail lights.
Dude, this looks so good.
Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy. Now you're just showing off.
This is a mobster, bro.
We need a winch in there ASAP.
We got that covered as well.
You like your new bumper?
Oh, I love
Oh, yeah, baby.
it. Oh, yeah. You like the new bumper?
Oh, I love the new bumper. You know who else likes this bumper? Your mother. That's like at least 1,000 views.
Well guys, we're back at the JD Cars HQ here. I've had a couple days to drive the JKU with our new Stubby LED front winch bumper from Rough Country. So the first thing I'll go out and say here is I think this bumper fits the vehicle extremely well. And the reason I'm kind of surprised by that is this front bumper is actually compatible not only with the JK, also with the JL and the JT. So you can put this on new 2020 Wranglers, 2020 Gladiators, all that good stuff. And I'm impressed that it fits the body lines of the JKU here so well, while still fitting those newer vehicles in addition. Of course, we've got a very nice black powder coat paint job here from Rough Country. And this is my first time seeing Rough Country's powder coat in person. I've never had any powder coated Rough Country parts before. And this is my first time seeing Rough Country's bumper powder coating in person. I've seen it on other things like control arms and whatnot, but it's nice to see it on a big component like this. And it's a really smooth and durable feeling finish compared to something like this, which is a little bit more coarse, and if you take a look, it's already starting to chip in some places. I have a feeling this is going to hold up a lot better. The quality of the powder coat just looks to be there. And then looking at all the corners, you can't even see any of the welds, which is really nice. Everything's ground down, super smooth. It's just a really attractive looking bumper in general. And when you toss in these two standard 2-inch Cree LED cube lights that are nearly 2,900 lumens a piece, things get really bright really quick. Like I showed you guys, I decided to wire these little light cubes into my fog light switch right here, so just pull that stock in and out. We'll go take a look here. Yup. Oh my gosh. These things are seriously bright. When I did the review on my first steel bumper with built-in LEDs, I think I might have had a little bit of an exaggerated reaction because I know those LEDs were nowhere as near as bright as these ones. And I thought they were. I thought they were bright, but I clearly didn't know what bright was because this setup is super bright. I've turned these things on going down the road and they're extremely bright, like probably brighter than my high beams. So that's pretty damn impressive out of these tiny little 2-inch cubes, super bright. Love that they're black housing. So when we turn them off here, they sort of blend in. You know, the housing isn't really all in your face, being the Black Series cube lights, and I love that they match this 20-inch Black Series light bar right here, as well as our 50-inch Black Series Rough Country light bar up on the roof, which I've been rocking for about 2 years now. Love that thing. I'll give you guys the full lighting effect here. We'll turn on our LED fogs. We'll turn on our daytime running lights. I'm not gonna go crazy yet. Just the dim daytime running lights up there. And then we'll do our bumper LED bar here. Oh my god. Yeah, that's nuts. My camera like cannot even begin to handle this much light, but looking at the wall here, I think we can gather this is a pretty bright setup, especially if I toss on the upper light bar fully. Oh my god. Yep. And that's just officially blinding. That's crazy. Now that we have these blinding lights turned off, I'd like to point out one last thing about these LED cubes. That's a much better design than the original bumper that I had on the JK. These LED cubes are more or less flush mount to the bumper, so they're really not going to get bashed up that much, especially having this nice little added protection of the D-ring right here. You're not going to bash this into a rock face. And the LED surround housing here, that got smashed up on my previous bumper within like 3 months, maybe even less. So I'm glad to see we have a much tougher design here. Also, just look at these LEDs. They look badass. Speaking of these D-rings here, these guys have a 4.75 ton capacity, so whatever you need to pull, I'm sure you can manage with that. One last detail on the LEDs, both the cubes and this 20-inch Black Series light bar are IP67 waterproof rated, so you don't have to worry about taking this thing in the swamp, taking it mudding, taking it through a big puddle. You'll be just fine. And looking at this main light bar connector, they have some serious connectors here with multiple watertight seals inside. I haven't had any issues at all with my 50-inch light bar up there. It has done an excellent job of handling the moisture, so I'm really not too concerned with these guys down here. Then of course we do have a drop down winch plate. That's what makes this a winch bumper. And just to give you a little bit of an idea of how deep this drop is, here's my hand, and that's about as deep as it goes. So nice big area for our winch. Our cable can come right through the face here, and I think that's going to be a very clean setup. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be worth it, because I think we're sacrificing like maybe an inch or two of clearance on either side to have our winch set in there. That's the major difference between the winch bumper and the trail bumper, but I think I like the look of this. It looks pretty badass. I've already gotten a lot of compliments this week. I think it has a really cool futuristic look to it, being all squared and including these awesome LEDs as well. The last thing to mention, we do have an awesome RC laser cut logo on the bottom. And we also have these little vent holes, and I think that is a slight advantage, at least for on-road use, over the trail bumper, because of course we'll have better aerodynamics and probably less wind resistance and wind noise. I am a little bit concerned to see how these do off-road, because of course if we are approaching something and it slides into that vent, we might have a little bit of damage. We'll see. I'll have to put this thing to the test and give you guys some updates. It is absolutely freezing out here. My hands are about to freeze off, so I think that's gonna wrap up this video on the new Rough Country LED front winch bumper. Either tonight or tomorrow night, I'm gonna be dropping my new Rough Country 9,500 pound Pro Series winch and synthetic rope into this new bumper. I'm super stoked to finally get it installed, so if that's something that interests you, please be sure to subscribe down below for more content. If you enjoyed this video, please go leave a like down below. Let me know down in the comments what future JKU videos you'd like to see, pretty much any other content you'd like to see here on the channel. Thank you to Rough Country for making this video possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on JD Cars.